I'm already in Valentine's mode, don't mind me. Thank you for watching. Good night. Oh, this part is the end of the video. You're watching the end of the video. Roll back. This is what I'm gonna use. It's pretty big. I have two. It'd be nice to have two, but I cannot find the other one. To add some arch so that I can put some flowers.
ことを伝える言葉がないのはきっと言葉に頼らずあなたのことを抱きしめて愛伝えるためなのかなあなたはいつも絶え間なく優しく包み込むような愛をくれるあとどれくらいわがままを言えば僕は大人になれるかなどれくらいの涙を引き換えてあなたはこの幸せを与えてくれたの見当もつかないけど溢れてく想いと溢れられてく想い
It's gonna have a look, a natural look, if you just let it unfold. The nature doesn't need a pattern, doesn't need to be perfect.
ゆらゆらと揺れている
I'm already in Valentine's mode, don't mind me. Because it's Valentine's Day, we are going to hang some roses. These are fake roses that I got from Amazon. You just need to bend them a little bit so that they can stay. Already hang our roses, so looking good. I'm now going to add this pot. I'm gonna hang a few. Then I got this a few years ago from Target. Just use your imagination. Like anything that you have that is beautiful, that is colorful, that makes you feel happy, you can use it. So we have this. I don't know how you call this. I'm gonna use this to obviously I use this before, just leave it there. To hang. Just like so. It is brave. inspiration. Put this in the fridge. And then that's my Z bond. I need to lose 80 pounds. I don't care if it takes me 2 years. Yes, I'm gonna use this charger from the Dollar General. So guys, I'm almost done. I am going to add some globes and add more candles, and I'll show you the final results. So this I'm just going to hang there. And this is the final result. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up for the effort. It takes hours to tape this. Remember, this is a budget-friendly tablescape with stuff that I got from Dollar Trees, literally Dollar Trees, Target, Amazon, local thrift store. It's very budget-friendly. It is supposed to give you inspiration to bring some romance and colors to your tablescape, and you don't need to spend a lot of money to bring joy. I mean, if I have my spouse or my best friend set up something like this and have a charcuterie board, a nice homemade dinner for us to enjoy, I think it will put a smile on my face. I hope it put a smile on your face and give you some inspiration. I love you guys so much. Happy Valentine's Day. Yeah, pretty much it. So I hope you guys like this. Give it a thumbs up, please, for the effort. It took me hours to tape this and to edit. So anything you like and your comment, just a simple heart emoji.
I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head. polka dots and stripes. You're a dark night, and I'm the day. We're a wreck, and that's alright. You're the pin that's sticking into me, the hand grenade. I know this isn't what you wanna hear, yeah. You know I've been down so lately, no motel, yeah. All this pain inside me put me down to dirt, yeah. Nada, nada, I'm too young to be this hurt, yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm too young to be this hurt, 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 yeah. 너가 울렸던 내 전화는 꺼놨지. 필요했나봐 내게 나의 시간이. I don't want no pain, 너의 깊은 생각이. 너가 줬던 옷들도 아직도 있지. Call me up again, 너의 부재중 I'ma pick up my phone, yeah. Call me up again, 화면에는 빨간색 숫자가 또 떠있지. Hit me up again, 우리 몰래 차 안에서 주고받은 선물 같이. Call me up again, 우리 전화하듯이 또 비밀리. 난 너가 더 보고 싶은데, yeah, yeah. 전화가 더 울렸으면 해. Yeah, yeah. I know this isn't what you wanna hear, yeah. You know I've been down so lately, no motel, yeah. All this pain inside me put me down to dirt, yeah. Nada, nada, I'm too young to be this hurt, yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm too young to be this hurt, 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 yeah. 절대 안 돼, 우린 나한테 너무 가혹해. 만약에 너가 원한다면 전부 다 사올게. I do, so can you think about it once more. 너가 싫어하는 모든 것들 I want. 너가 없이 매일 밤을 취해서 너의 흔적들을 찾으려고 했어. Oh, 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 girl, how did you love a boy like me? Like you did. Oh, 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 oh. 우리 침대 속에서 난 가만히 너가 돌아오길 바랬어. I'm too young to be this hurt, baby. I'm too young to be this hurt, baby. 자주 아파하는 우린 너의 곁에 널 지켜주는 내가 없으면 어떡해.